Okay, hello guys, greetings. So today I want to show you this app I built. Okay, it is called HabitMind. It is an AI powered habit companion. Okay, so what this app does is that it helps you, you know, create good habits by including daily habits you want to form on the app. Then what the app does is that it reminds you, for instance, habits such as maybe exercising daily, drinking water, reading daily, and all that. And it also enables you to create goals. So let me show you how the app works. Okay. So you come here to sign up. You can see I am currently logged into the app. So this is the app interface. So on the dashboard, you have this a greeting section here. It says, "Good morning, Christopher Oviomayo." Okay, so in order for this place where you see set your OpenAI API key in settings to get AI powered codes. So once you set your OpenAI API key in the settings, you're going to get quotes, AI powered quotes, motivational quotes will be shown to you here. Okay, so here we have cards showing all your daily completed habits, your goals, your best streak, and overall progress. Okay, so you see, today I've not achieved any of my habits. So you can see my habit and goal progress is 0%. Okay, so we have here you can add new habits. Okay, so you have a template to choose from. It can be daily exercise, reading daily, drink water, better sleep, eat healthy, meditation, learn something new, and all that. You can also create custom habits. So if you click this, okay, so you can create your custom habits. You can see a few I have created here. Daily exercise by 5 a.m. Okay, drink water. So all these are the habits I have added in this app. So each day I can come here. Let's say my daily exercise, I have achieved that. I can click here to uh, s- to mark it as completed. Okay, so each habit I complete during the day, I'm giving points. Okay, so that's the XP uh, point system. So each habit I complete, I'm giving. Let me say I've done this. I've drank water. I can also click that to mark that as completed. So you can see the progress. It has increased to 25% completion. Okay, so as I continue to complete the habits, my XP level increases. So I move from level 1 to a higher level. Okay, so we also have the AI companion. Now, your AI companion in this app will, help you in order to stay consistent with your habits. Okay, you can chat with the AI companion once you have set your API key in the settings. This is the settings of the app. Okay, so when you go to app settings here, you can enter your OpenAI API key. Okay, so I'll just paste my API key here. I can test the key, okay, to see if it is working. So you can see your OpenAI API key is valid. So I can now save the key. Okay, so if as I've saved the key, if I go back to the dashboard, okay, so it couldn't generate a quote now. Check your API key in settings. Okay, so what I can do, I can refresh the app. Okay, okay, so maybe I'll check the settings. My API key. This is from my own API key. Maybe I locked this key to a specific app. I have to check that. Okay, let me try the chat if that's going to go through. Hi. Okay, so fail to get AI response. Please check your open AI. Okay, so I think the error is from the API key I entered. Um, Let me show you the rest of the app. So here I've shown you the chat, your habit companion. We have habit here. Here you can add habits. Okay, so if you click on add habits, okay, you can create a name for your habit here. Let's say something like let's say have a quick nap by 12:15. Okay, it can be, you can set the time to 12. So say have a quick nap, you can say 12:10. Okay, so it will remind you every 12:10 to have a quick nap. So this falls under we can call this health. Okay, you can add a description. Okay, I said quick nap by 12. Okay, so you can add a description. So if I add the habit, okay, so you can see it has been listed under health category. Okay, so as I complete all these habits, I can mark them. You can see the ones I previously marked. Okay, so let me say I've read. I can click here to mark that as completed. Let's say I learned something new. I can click here. Okay, so you can see my progress. I've progressed to level 2. Okay, so that's it. I can mark this pray between 12 and 3. Okay, so this, you can change the category like this. I'll call it mindfulness. You can change the category of a habit. Okay, so next I have goals. Okay, so I've reached a new level. A new level has been achieved. So here I can set daily goals, weekly, monthly, or yearly goals. Okay, so a goal I have set here is okay. I deleted the goal. Let me show you how to set goals. I can come here to say the goal is to save 1 million naira because I'm currently in Nigeria, so I'll use naira before December 31st. So that's the goal. I can also include description here. So this goal is going to be uh, let's say this, I want to make the savings weekly. So every week I have to put something to this savings. So I can call it a personal goal. Okay. Targets 1 million. Okay. So the unit is, my target is 1 million. So I'll enter 1 million here. Naira. Can be dollars, depending on where you're located. It can be pounds. It can be anything. The goal can also be reach out to one family member or friend daily. So the target is the number you want to achieve. Maybe like in this case of reaching out to a family member. So you can say I'll reach out to 2 persons, which is your target. Then the unit can be 2 persons, you understand? But in this case, it's money. So it's a financial goal. So I'll say 1 million naira. Okay. So it can be make 1 million naira in sales in 2 weeks and so on. So the deadline for my goal is December 31st. So I'll just set that. Then I can create my goal. Okay. You can see I have a weekly goal now. Okay. So what I can do, if you come to the dashboard, from here you can see the goals, your goal progress. I can also go to the goals tab. Let's say I have added 20,000 naira to the savings. So I can come here and say custom, enter amount 20,000, add. Okay. So you can see that I have also uh, progressed. I've gotten a new achievement unlocked. Okay. I've reached a new level, level 18. So my goal progress is, you can see the progress. So I have 20,000. You can use the minus arrow to subtract incrementally. That's a value of 1. Okay. So I can also increase, continue to increase. you know, I can subtract. Okay, so I can use this to subtract. I can use the custom button to add a custom amount. So whenever I add money to these savings, I can click here to add it to my goals and view my progress. Okay, that's that for goals. So here in the overall progress tabs, I can see my overall progress. So like today, for example, I achieved 5 habits so far. I have created one goal. So you can see the progress, all your progress. We have AI insights and suggestion. Here, your AI companion will give you insights on how you can achieve more with your habit and goals. You have smart habit suggestion. Okay, so yeah, it says read before bed, replace screen time with 20 minutes of reading. Okay, we have here the streaks so far. Okay, we have weekly habit progress. We have recent achievements. Okay, so the achievements tab, you can see my achievements so far, all achievements. Okay, that I have unlocked. Habit Hero, daily dedication, and I still have others to unlock. You can also add friends. If you know your friends' email address in the app, you can add your friends here. You can share goals with your friends. Okay. Then we have challenges. Okay, so you can join challenges. Okay. You have badges. You can earn badges for completing habits and achieving goals. You have smart reminder. You can set a smart reminder. Okay. You can select preferred time. AI insights. So you have the settings here. You can add your open AI key. You can set your name, your profile picture, your bio. You can also set your notification. You can export your data. You can delete your data. Okay. So that's the overview of this application. Okay. So guys, if you want an application like this, you can contact me and I will build one personally for you for your personal use or for your business or whatever idea you have to bring to life. And mind you, this was built with AI, lovable AI. So check the description. Okay. I included the link to use lovable. Okay. So that's it for this app. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next video where I'll be talking about another great app I created. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Please leave comments and you can also contact me via email, which I included in the description of this video. Thanks, guys.